Hi, good day. I'm Giselle Campo. Today I will show you how to do a lead generation. And they are my 50 spots in Florida, for example. These are the business name, use the person, email, phone, website, and socials. And then to complete this, we need to do as research or go to Google to find other spots in Florida in the USA. For example, spas in Florida. So this one, you can click this. So there are one of the spas in Florida. So one to South Beach. You see, for example, this Wyndham Grand Orlando Resort. So this is the Wyndham Grand Orlando Resort, Bonnet Creek. So this is the business name. Then put it in the lead generation spreadsheet. And then we're looking for contact person, email, phone, website, and social. So for that, so this is their website. So this is the website. We're looking this spot, then click this spa. And okay, there's their phone. And their contact number is the phone. You can copy, then their website. This is the copy this URL upper. Okay, then there's their email. The email. Okay, then I'm looking for their social. So then their Facebook, or so scroll down. So click here, there's follow. So this is their, oh, there's also an email in Facebook. Their pick about email. So this is their Facebook account. Then copy. Okay, so we're looking the contact person or the manager. We can search in Google, for example, okay, manager, or owner, you can search it on Google, owner of Wyndham Grand Orlando Resort, Bonnet. So there's so look. Or search. So this one, you can click this. So so back here. So none. So no information. Okay, no name name, so we can go to Google, then either the owner. Okay, we can search the owner. Winam Grand Bronet Creek was acquired by Cross Lake Partnership Construction. So there's no name. We can look for hotel manager. Hotel manager name. So, oh, there's a link in. Click here. Group Vice President. Oh, this is the Vice President, Brand Operation Manager, Operation Wyndham Hotel and Resort. So this is Georgian Shoppers. So we're looking again. So Hotel Operation Manager. Ito, there's possible. Yes, this is one. Jared Browser, the Hotel Operation Manager. So we can put this. Oops, no. It's Jared Browser. Copy, then put it here, and then this hotel operation. So we can contact Mr. Jared Browser. So we complete the 50 spas in Florida. That's it.